finished checking in. I'm in my wife's car right now. I'm finna go take it to get cleaned up for her. I try to keep her stuff up. One thing I can say about her, whatever she get, she do take care of it. So I try to make sure I do my part and get certain things lined out. You know, make sure it's good, oil changes, keep it clean, details, stuff like that. Keep the maintenance up on it. I was talking about having a depreciating asset because when you have a vehicle, regardless of what it is, it's always depreciating unless it's something that, you know, that can actually grow in value over the years. But if you're using it for work and you're using it to make money, it's going to get it's going to have issues. It's going to have stuff you got to keep up on it. So I think that's something that you have to just keep in mind, that as long as you're making money, don't go all the way out on it. You know what I mean? If you want something to pull out to show that you made it, you know what I'm saying? Then that's not your everyday vehicle. Then if you want to pull this out, well, I'm gonna pull this out, man, just show I'm doing all right. But it's not your everyday driver, because most people that try to do that, they get butt hurt when a little rock fly off and might tap it, or this might happen. Man, that's part of it, man. You know what I mean? Don't invest your money in something. If something petty and small happen to it, you about to have a heart attack. Then that's not something you need to be doing. All I'm saying is, bro, is whatever you get, take care of what you get, take care of your stuff. But then at the same time, don't be overprotective of something that's actually depreciating.